Hello viewers, welcome back to Harshavardhan e-learning. Today we are going to learn question tags with imperatives. First you have to understand, right? See, imperatives are commands or orders, suggestions, offers, advice, invitation, warning, wish, etc. See, these are all imperatives. See, the subject of imperative sentence is always the second person you, so the subject is not generally said or written, but it is understood to both the speaker and the listener. Especially in imperative sentences, we never find a subject, but you must understand the imperative sentence has subject. The subject is you, second person. There are two types of imperatives actually. See, first one is positive imperative and negative imperative. Now let's understand positive imperative with examples. First, we can use both positive question tag and negative question tag in positive imperative depending on intonation. Intonation means rise and fall of tone. See, for example, let's study with the invitation. See, sit down. See, in the sentence, sit down. Won't you or will you? Take a seat. Won't you or will you? See, in the sentence, actually, we have used here, right? See, sit down. It's invitation. See, sit down. It's a will. If we use will you, it's a more polite, right? And won't you, it is less polite. We can use both questions. So I used here both positive question tag and negative question tag. In this way, you can use both question tags actually, especially in imperative positive sentence. Here also, take a seat. Won't you? Will you? This is negative question tag and it is positive question tag. See, this is a sentence actually. This is the sentence, right? In the sentence, you don't find an LP subject here. See that no subject here. Here also no subject. Next, request. For example, see request, right? Help me. Can you help me? Can't you? Yeah, this is positive question tag. This is negative question tag. But the statement, look at the statement, same. There is no change, right? Understand? You can use both. Can you or can't you? Only in examination, but while speaking, you can understand the rise and fall of intonation. Depending on the rise and fall of intonation, you can use either can you or can't you. Okay, next, commands. Okay, close the door. Would you? More polite it is. Close the door. Will you? Less polite. Close the door. Won't you? Serious sense. Rise of intonation. You see that it's a more polite. Close the door. Like that. This is question tag actually. This is the question tag. It's a more polite. You can use, see that statement same. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. You can find the same statement here. Right. Here I see that. But you used here would you, will you, won't you. We can use these are the question tags. You can use would you, will you or won't you. Okay. See, depending on the rise and fall of intonation. See, polite, close the door. Would you? Close the door. Will you? Close the door. Won't you? Like that. Okay. Next, negative imperative. Just understand what is meant by negative imperative. Don't sit with me. Will you? Don't come with me. Will you? See that the word will is used always with the negative imperative. Actually, if any sentence, if any imperative sentence starts with a negative helping verb, see that this sentence has started with negative helping verb. This sentence is also started with negative helping verb. So, this kind of sentences will always take will as helping verb in question tag. Okay, we actually these sentences never take any other helping verb like would, could, won't. They never take. Actually, these negative imperative sentences always take will as helping verb in question tag. Okay, will you? Here also will you. Same thing. Next, suggestions. When making a suggestion, it is common to use let's. Let's stands for let us. When we use let's in question tags, we always use shall we, whether it is positive statement or negative statement. See, for example, here, see, I used here, for example, let's dance now. It's a positive statement. Question tag is shall we only, and it's next, let's not dance now. This is negative statement, yeah, but question tag is same, no changes here. See that positive question tag and positive question tag. See, especially in imperative, especially imperative with suggestions. So if any sentence starts with let's or let us, right? The sentences, right? The sentences take shall we, whether the sentences are in positive or negative statement, they take only shall we as question tag. It's very easy, right? Okay. Now, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos, like my videos, and thanks for watching.